I'm Daniel.
My name is Robin McCorkle.
I'm Michael Grosser and we're at the ownCloud conference in Berlin.
I'm Jan. I'm at the ownCloud contributor conference here with Thomas. And yeah, I'm working on the design maybe for ownCloud. And Thomas, what do you do?
Yeah, I'm taking care of a lot of things, mainly focusing on code quality, things like continuous integration. We have things like code reviews, things like that. Besides the regular day-to-day job I do at the ownCloud company is the past weeks or month we worked on the mail app. It's an application to run inside ownCloud where you can read your emails, write emails, reply them. The special thing about this app is the full integration within ownCloud, so you can use contacts which are in the contact app. You can also drag in files from the Files app. We plan to have integration with the Calendar app and to give it a full-blown user experience.
It was back almost in the very beginning, like late 2010, early 2011, where I was myself looking for like an alternative to Dropbox and that kind of stuff. And I was just looking at I knew ownCloud a bit, or I heard of it, and then I looked on the mailing list, and they said like, hey, we're gonna have our first hackathon in Stuttgart, and I happened to study in Stuttgart at the time, so I was just saying, oh, okay, what the hell, it's just like just a kilometer away, and it's next weekend, so yeah, I'm gonna be there. And it was just 5 people, and yeah, there we worked on doing ownCloud 2 essentially. I think around 50 right now, but we have about 140 or more than 140 registrations for the conference, which is tomorrow, the conference day. So yeah, that's quite a bit more, I think. And yeah, there's a lot more other contributors which couldn't come, but yeah.
It was, I think, half a year after Jan. I've been playing around, before I knew ownCloud, I was playing around with alternative technologies to accomplish something identical to ownCloud. And I read an article about ownCloud in the Linux magazine, and yeah, just installed it, give it a try. Then I got in touch with the people on IRC and also the mailing list. And I think, I don't know, 2 months later there was another meeting in Stuttgart. Actually we have been 8 people by that time, and round about that.
Yeah, so maybe not that.
It was also in the early days. So. Yeah, and somehow, yeah.
I think the special thing about ownCloud is similar to what Thomas mentioned before about the integration, right? We have all these different apps on it, which can work with each other. So we can basically do the same thing as other monopolies on the web, but we make it on the people's own server or on the people's own turf, so to say. Right? They are in control of the data, but they can do all these awesome things. Right? They can connect their calendars to their contacts and to their email and to their files, and so they're in full control of their whole digital thing. So especially like as a user experience designer, as a designer in general, I really think that's great, and that's also the integration with external projects like other like Diaspora, like Mailpile, and like many other open source projects is only really possible because it's an open source project. Mm-hmm. So we can use open protocols, and everyone can implement it, and everyone can communicate with each other.
Yeah, it's really awesome. Because from my point of view, what has to be added to what's special about ownCloud, for me personally, is the community. There are a lot of cool people that I really like, and especially conference once a year when we all get together. This is it's pure fun, and it's actually, yeah, weeks ahead. We're looking forward to just meet again each other, and it's meanwhile a big family. Yeah, we need to continue to fix some issues on the mail app, and we will give a talk tomorrow on the conference to present the actual state of the app, and hopefully within the next weeks we can then release the first version, give it out to the people, and then I think we will not sleep that much on that because we need to fix bugs again. But well, that's the way it is. So the main communication protocols or main communication channels is getting in touch with us on IRC or just directly on GitHub. There is one repository for the mail app where we have issue tracker, and there we can get things sorted out. So